Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily remove other storage data on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general, and in the general you need to find iPhone storage. So now just tap on it. Now you can see how much memory takes for every app, and just for photos, for YouTube, Facebook, Viber and other apps. So here you can also just fix what apps takes a lot of your memory and what apps you do not use, so you just can remove them. So for example, you can also turn on this function, offload unused apps, so it will save. Here you can see about 2 gigabytes, so it will automatically offload unused apps when you're low on storage. So you can also just open, and here you can from here you can delete unnecessary app for you, and also you can offload or delete every app from this menu. So this is the way how you can clear your iPhone storage. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.